This is like a full day of excitement and fun for these kids. And the number one thing is these parents come in and they're like, my kids love this. They love to come here. It's socialization, they get to hang out with their friends, but it's more hands-on and learning through play.
It's kind of like school, but a little bit better, really cool, and every week that you're in summer school, it gets better and better and better. It's just because how to learn and to like have fun and play with friends, new friends, and all that.
You can make new friends, and it's like really fun. Like it gets you like it doesn't really make you feel like you should be at home. It's like a fun learning thing during the summer, so you could be like prepared for like the next grade.
It keeps them engaged. They're off their technology and they're not sitting in front of their Xboxes all summer, but for some of these kids, routine is key, and especially for those incoming kindergartners. They're getting to learn how to walk on a line and eat a lunch, and even how to open a book. You know, for some of them, it's writing their name on their paper. It's just being able to be here, be in the routine, and understanding how arrival and dismissal works, and following my teacher's directions, and using the bathroom with other students, and just everything that you do at school, they're learning how to do before they actually come to what they call big kid schools.
Use my elbow as an example. Flexion is when you flex.
So it's free for our Winsville students. It makes it easy for the parents. The kids don't need school supplies. They come with the backpacks that Summer Journey send to them. You know, they don't need anything but a water bottle and some sunscreen.
Summer school is just better because you can get to have fun. It's obviously really cool. You get like prizes.
I like how like some of my friends are here and like some like new friends, so like I can make more friends.
I saw them doing math and it was bowling. So they were learning about fractions and bowling.
We're learning fractions, which is my favorite. I'm starting to like math.
One of them, his son was like, he couldn't wait to come back today to finish his robot, and they were second graders. They're down there doing math and they're doing reading and they're doing writing, but they're doing it through play and through hands-on. It's not your typical sit in your seat, pencil, paper kind of work. The kids are laughing, they're having a good time. They might read a book and then do like a novel engineering project where they have to figure out how to save the main character. They're getting to use their imagination, their creativity, and they're getting to strategize and work in groups to solve these problems. It's the way kids think today. We roll with it, and you know, everybody seems to say that this is a good time for their kids. So the good word's spreading, that it's fun and they want to be here.